The camera world is standing on the edge of a massive revolution, and at the center of it all is a piece of hardware that shouldn't technically be possible. For years, the debate between APS-C and full-frame has been a battle of compromises. You either choose the reach and speed of a crop sensor or the image quality and low-light performance of a larger one. But as we move further into 2026, Canon is preparing to shatter those boundaries. We are talking about the Canon EOS R7 Mark II, a camera that isn't just an update to its predecessor, but a total reimagining of what a professional grade crop sensor camera can achieve. Rumors have been swirling for months, but the latest leaks from internal testing and supply chain sources paint a picture of a mini R1, a powerhouse designed to dominate wildlife, sports, and high-end cinematography without the bulky footprint of a traditional flagship. If you've been holding off on an upgrade or considering switching systems, you need to pay close attention to the next few minutes because the specifications leaking out of Japan suggest Canon is about to launch the most powerful APS-C camera ever conceived. We are looking at a jump in technology so significant that it might actually make full-frame sensors redundant for a large portion of the professional market. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Now, let's get into the heart of why the R7 Mark II is the most anticipated release of the year. The biggest headline, and the feature that is sending shockwaves through the industry, is the rumored 39-megapixel BSI stacked CMOS sensor. This is a monumental shift. For the first time in an APS-C body, Canon is expected to implement stacked sensor technology, the same high-speed architecture found in the $6,000 flagship EOS R3 and R1. This isn't just about resolution, it's about readout speed. A stacked sensor allows the camera to process data at a rate that traditional sensors simply cannot match. This means the dreaded rolling shutter effect, where fast-moving objects like a bird's wings or a golf club appear distorted, is virtually eliminated. For wildlife photographers, this is the holy grail. You can now shoot in total silence using the electronic shutter without worrying about image distortion. But Canon isn't stopping at just a new sensor. To handle this massive influx of data, the R7 Mark II is reportedly equipped with a new Digic accelerator processor paired with the Digic X engine. This dual-brain setup is what allows for the mind-blowing burst rates we are hearing about. Imagine capturing 40 frames per second in full resolution, with complete autofocus tracking and zero viewfinder blackout. You aren't just taking photos at that point. You are capturing a high-resolution stream of moments that were previously invisible to the human eye. The autofocus system itself is receiving a massive AI-driven overhaul. Using deep learning algorithms trained on millions of images, the R7 Mark II will be able to recognize and track subjects with eerie precision. Whether it's a falcon diving at 200 miles per hour or a motorcycle leaning into a sharp turn, the camera's intelligent tracking will lock onto the eye or the helmet and stay there, regardless of obstacles in the frame. For the filmmakers in the audience, the R7 Mark II is shaping up to be a cinema powerhouse in a compact body. The move to a 40-megapixel stacked sensor unlocks a door that has been closed to APS-C users for a long time: 8K video. Yes, the rumors strongly suggest that the R7 Mark II will be capable of 8K 60p recording, likely oversampled from the full width of the sensor. This gives you incredible flexibility in post-production to crop, stabilize, or downscale to a 4K image that is sharper than anything currently on the market. Furthermore, for those who need high frame rates, we're looking at 4K 120p with no crop and 10-bit internal recording in Canon Log 3. This isn't just a stills camera that does video. This is a legitimate secondary body for professional cinema productions.